Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix access denied errors. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first you have to go to your local list and then tap on manage. Here what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down and look for local users and groups. Tap on users, go to administrator, tap right click and then go to properties. Now you have to make sure that you have untick or make sure that the account is disabled. Apply, then OK. After that, you have to go to the groups. Tap on groups, locate administrator, double tap, and then here you have to click add. Add the name of your administrator here, and then once done, click check names. After that, tap on OK. So basically, that's it. Now, the last thing you should do here, once you have added your administrator, go to CMD, tap on open. Here, what you're going to do is you have to follow what I'm going to type here, your administrator, and then GP update, space, /force, and then press enter. It's also good to restart your PC and see if this method works. So that's how you fix access denied errors. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.